here talking.
It is hot. It's 96 degrees out here. But listen, what's up, y'all? If you watched yesterday's upload, well, not yesterday's, but my upload before this upload, you will see that I test drove a Hellcat and I had a car salesman in there with me, and I talked about the Hellcat, you know, about the response that I'm used to with my pedals. So I'm about to let him test drive my car so he can see exactly what I'm talking about. But if y'all new to my channel, make sure y'all go ahead and subscribe. Subscribe is free. Go ahead and like this video. Drop a green or purple or yellow or orange, whatever color emoji. When the video is over with, come back and leave an extra comment. And if you ain't subscribed already, then stop playing with slime. And make sure y'all go to my website, slimepack.store, to get y'all some slime pack merch. Okay, let me cut the pedal. I'm going to cut the pedal box off first, y'all.
Oh, you got it on your phone?
Yeah. So this, I just use this phone just for this. So yeah.
Oh, so it's like the trap phone.
Yeah. Oh, we gotta edit that out. Gotta edit that out.
I'm weak. Alright, you ready?
Yeah, wherever you go.
Alright. Is your car lower too? The car feel lower than mine?
Unless y'all lowered it. It's probably in my seat, where my seat is.
Louder though.
Oh.
Car is definitely louder. And what percent is this?
5.
Why everybody tint look darker than mine?
5 all around. And then plus this right here make it look even darker.
Yeah. But I got, so my front windshield is 20 and I got 5% all the way around.
Yeah.
But it still be looking like
somebody can see.
Yeah, I be hating that. I don't want you to see it at all. I hate that.
Might as well do 5 on the front.
Nah, whoa, that's too dark. I'm over here be crashing and stuff. Might start to mess with my stuff. See how this
feels. Yeah. See how the steering wheel feels? Yeah, I love the way that feels.
Oh yeah.
Tap the pedal hard one time. Let go. See what I was talking about?
Yeah. Oh no, yeah, this. Okay. We might be able to get on the highway, open it up a little bit. So you straight pipe all the way back?
Yeah. No mids, no resonators.
Yeah, you can definitely hear it. You had to break yours in? Dang. Hold on. Hey, yo, I'm over here talking. Yo, I done throw my head back.
I'm telling you.
I'm over here talking, and I'm like, I just lightly passed the gas.
That's why I said, yo, man, it's a Hellcat, but it's like, it ain't the response that I'm used to.
Hold on.
See?
Oh, snap. Oh, yeah. What you put in? You just put in what you
mean? This is my little settings.
Hey, cause yo, I ain't gonna cap. That was, I said, hold on, I'm over here having a full conversation. Gonna throw my head back like that.
Let me see.
I'm not even like
barely tapping it, right?
Yeah.
I be telling them.
Yeah, nah. This, hold on. Yeah, this is definitely different. And it pushes up the RPM.
Yeah.
Like. seen, I know you was talking about, because a lot of people getting their cars stolen and stuff.
Yeah.
So the pedal box.
The theft is right there.
Yeah.
Anybody behind you?
Nah.
Watch this.
Oh, dang, you was all power.
Yeah, it automatically can't do nothing.
You can't do nothing.
I'm about to take you back.
Trying to push you like that.
It's just going.
Yeah. That thing is
you automatically heard the difference. See how aggressive that shift got?
Yeah, see, nah. Slime gonna have me getting tickets, y'all. Slime gonna have me getting tickets with this. I don't know. Cause, and then one thing, so when I had my RT, I didn't really feel it. But like when I first started getting on it, I'm like, bro, I'm going 85, but it don't even feel like it.
Right?
That's what I love about these cars. Like, you don't even feel it. Like,
that was make you get a ticket easily.
Right? Cause you like, man. Like, oh, I was? Sir, you going 90?
Do you know how fast you were going?
No.
55.
It felt like 55. No, you was going 90.
He said that you gonna fill this ticket.
You got any tickets yet in this?
Leave this out. They got
Nice.
So you say you gonna get you a pedal box?
Yeah, I gotta get me a pedal box.
And then you about to get them.
See, now why y'all put my information?
Oh.
Yeah.
I'm gonna bleed that out. I'm gonna bleed it out. I'm saying you gonna get no bleed. Yeah.
But hey, I'm coming for any scat in the next 2 months. Not even 2 months. I give you a month. I'm coming for any scat, any Hellcat. Cause
what about red eye?
Red eye's gonna take some time. But shoot.
Come on now.
Ain't nothing to it.
There's
though.
only 91 horsepower though.
You right?
You can do that.
Yeah. Couple of tweaks here and there. I ain't gonna tell you what the tweaks here and there is, but
Like, you can pull up on one slack and they don't know how to drive it though. Especially on old men, they just be getting them just to drive.
I swear, they retired from the military.
Especially Corvettes, they just get them to keep it clean.
I had at my old apartment, it was this old guy. He had a Corvette. It was like I forgot which one it was, but he literally would take it out the garage, wash it, and pull it right back in the garage. I was like, do you ever drive your Corvette? He was like, yeah, to the grocery store and back.
Yeah.
I'm like, what, bro?
They were like, this just. Ooh.
Hey. Bro, like, I'm not even trying to. Like, I'm literally just like, I'm not even trying to gas like that too. That's the crazy part, yo. Like, I'm not even trying to, like, because I know where I'm at and I know, like.
They downshift.
Reflective. Hold on. Yo, I'm over here trying to.
It's a sun strip.
Hey, yo.
Nothing. They done it aggressive.
Yeah, nah, y'all, she get me addicted.
Tell me.
I'm still on this. Hold on. I was over here trying to look through it so I can see the light.
Nah, that's why I said this right is blacked out, so it's letting out, letting in the sun. That's why some people think that it is tinted if you on outside.
That sounds like, yeah. Nah, that's dope. Don't even do it, Mustang. If you're not a 5.0, you don't want to. Shoot. I gotta ease into that thing. Oh, you turn it off a little bit.
It's still there. It's like you'll get used to it. You'll know how much to go once you get used to it.
Yeah, that's what I was trying to do. That's why I ease into it. time I look for
Z01
somebody.
add-ons.
Oh, okay. Every time I try to look for one, everybody be saying me.
Yeah, I did that with the phone.
Yo, I was like, I'm over here cruising and talking. I'm like, bro, why my phone light's not coming up? We can't even go nowhere.
You say hawk them down.
Oh, snap. Oh, good. But the POV from the slime pack 392, definitely love it. Definitely love it. That thought response is different.
Very aggressive.
Very aggressive, and it's not even like a bad aggressive. It's a good aggressive. So.
And the thing about it, you can adjust the aggressiveness to your liking.
Yeah, nah, I know you. I can see you like aggressive. Cause it's so, bruh, I'm telling y'all, when we was making that right turn, I was over here talking, having a full conversation where she did something on the phone and that thing was off. And I barely tapped it. Barely tapped it.
So you said you're gonna make your YouTube?
Yeah, I'm gonna make it.
Where they gonna follow you at on Instagram? What's your Instagram?
Instagram name is smoothhemi_392 now. So
it was what?
It was smoothhemi_345.
So you know he done upgraded. So he had to upgrade his Instagram.
Upgraded Instagram, upgraded.
Next
car,
time,
so.
whenever he have his car, we're gonna get it on camera. Yeah. First thing is what you like?
The first thing on this car is the wrap. The second is the sun visor, and then the third, that pedal box.